Okay, very heavy, rainy good morning and very healthy and good atmosphere. Welcome back. Ninth B division for Science 1, new chapter, that is work and energy. Chapter number 2. Work in your language and work in science language, totally different. If you will sit on your study table, you are reading, writing, doing, you are thinking that you are doing lots of work. But science reject that, your word work. If you carry 25 kg bori on your head and you will stand at one position, you will feel that you have done work. Again, science will reject that word that you have done work. Related to the science, before that, some diagrams are given. First diagram it is given. One girl is reading and writing, but sitting in a single position, not moving. In short, work done? No, not work done. Second, one boy is standing at one position, work done, not done. Third, one girl is watching TV and by the remote she is changing volume, channel and all the things. Doing work? No, absolutely no. Next, one person is standing with a heavy weight, with one bori. Work done? Not done. So as per the science, the definition of work is when force is applied, an object moves or the object shows the displacement, that is known as work. Then we can say the work is done. Work is said to be done. Work is said to be done when force is applied and displacement take place. Suppose your residential building is far from the school and you 10 people of the same standard, same division, same school will think that let's push this building towards the school. So all will try to push that building. You are applying force but no displacement. Work is done zero. This is a duster. By force, by this muscles pulls, I am applying a force and it is moving from here to here. By applying force, when the object will move, then only the work is said to be done. So it is clear now that work is said to be done when force applied, an object causes the displacement, the work is said to be done. So work, two things need: force and displacement. When force applied and displacement take place, at that time you can say work is done. So work is W, force is F, S is displacement. In product, you know that when one thing is zero, if F is zero, zero into something is zero. If S is zero, zero into something is zero. So there are lots of things. Force applied always in Newton. So Newton. Displacement in meter. And Unit of work is joule. Unit of force is Newton. Unit of displacement is meter. When you can say the work done is 1 joule, when 1 Newton force is applied, when 1 Newton force is applied and the object move 1 meter, when 1 Newton force applied, when 1 Newton force applied and 1 joule, 1 meter object will move, so the product is 1 joule. But we know that 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So replace, it is 10 raised to 5 dyne instead of Newton, instead of meter. So this is 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. 7 dyne centimeter is equal to earth. So 1 joule is equal to 3 conversion you have learned in this, that 1 Newton, like no, 1 kg is equal to how much gram? 1000 gram. 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100 meter, 100 centimeter. And 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. 10 raised to 5 dyne means 1 lakh. This is 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter means 100 centimeter. Now 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So Newton I will replace with dyne. Meter I will replace with centimeter. So 5 plus 2 in indices with the same base power and different power you have to add. So 2 plus 5 will be 7. 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. So they will ask, there are lots of questions to ask on this. Question number 1. What is work done? In work done definition, 2 words you have to use, force and displacement. When work is said to be done? Work is said to be done when force is applied and displacement take place. That is the work. What is a unit of work? Unit of work is joule, not 1 joule. Joule. What is a unit of Newton? What is a unit of force? Force unit is Newton. Newton and dyne. What is the unit of displacement? Meter and centimeter. So when you can say 1 joule work is done, when you can say 1 joule work is done, when 1 centimeter force is applied and 1 centimeter force is applied, 1 Newton force is applied and body move 1 meter. Body moves 1 meter. It is known as 1 joule work done. Now show that correlation between the joule and erg. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1, 2, 3. First statement. Then you will write 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. Then you will write 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Now apply both here. 5 plus 2, 7 dyne centimeter. So dyne centimeter. Newton meter means joule. Dyne centimeter, this small, this small. So of this small, erg. So 3 conversion. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 meter 10 raised to 2 centimeter. 1 joule 10 raised to 7 erg. Follow? Now, when work is said to be 0, very important. W is equal to F into S. If F is 0, work done is 0. If F is not 0, S is 0, work done is 0. And F and S and W is equal. Try to get this. Simple question will come like when work is zero. When work is zero. Work is equal to force into displacement. A into B. Suppose A is 0, 0 into B is 0. Suppose B is 0, A into 0 is 0. Force is 0. Duster is here, I am not applying any force. It will not move. If zero force applied, it will not move. So when work is 0, when no force applied, force is 0 means what? No force applied. Second, force applied a lot. All students are moving, try to move building or a temple or a big stone. They are giving force, zero displacement. It will not move a single millimeter. Displacement is zero. First time force not applied, so object will not move, will not work done zero. Force applied a lot, but it will not move, fail. Displacement zero, zero into many force, overall zero. Now try to get this point. This is earth and this is moon. Good example, it is given into the textbook. We have learned gravitational force of attraction. Any object, suppose I will leave from here, it will come here. Suppose I will leave from here, it will come down. Gravitational force of attraction on each and every object on earth will apply by the force, by the gravitational force, by earth. But moon is revolving around sun. It never get attracted toward earth. Why it is? Force by earth is down. Force is down. And movement is in this way. Every time. This. See, this is the displacement. This is the force. So displacement is this. This is a moon. Displacement is this way. Force of attraction is this way. And both are perpendicular to each other. Now it is clear or not clear? Tell me. Wait. One minute. Just 2 seconds. Now, improve. Moon is revolving around Earth. Force of attraction is downward, perpendicular. But the displacement always in perpendicular. Displacement and force both are right angle, 90 degree. When F and S both are at perpendicular, work done is zero. Work done is zero means what? Gravitation force of earth will not be applied on moon. So moon will not attract towards the earth. That is why it is revolving. चांद जो है पृथ्वी पर क्यों आकर्षित नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो दैट इज डाउनवर्ड, जो उसका चलन है डिस्प्लेसमेंट दैट इज अ परपेंडिकुलर, उसके साथ 90 डिग्री है. व्हेन बोथ आर 90 डिग्री विद ईच अदर, वर्क डन इज सेड टू बी जीरो. मतलब पृथ्वी का आकर्षण बल जो फोर्स है दैट विल नॉट बी अप्लाइड ऑन मून. दैट इज द, तो जब उस पे उसको आकर्षित ही नहीं कर पाएगा तो हाउ इट इज कम डाउन. सो फोर्स अप्लाइड इज जीरो, टोटल वर्क डन इज जीरो. वर्क डन जीरो, वर्क डन पॉजिटिव, वर्क डन नेगेटिव. तीन क्वेश्चन. There are three questions. Work done zero when force is zero, S is zero, and F perpendicular to S. These are the questions. When work is said to be done, what are the unit of work, which are the two units of work, joule and earth, what is the correlation. So that next, when work is said to be zero, when F is zero, with example every time you have to explain. They will ask simple, when work is said to be zero. In three conditions work is said to be zero. Condition number one, if you will not apply any force to this duster, duster will not move automatically. So force zero, total product is zero, work is zero. Second example, if a very big stone or a very big building, you are applying lots of force, but displacement is zero, total product is zero, work done is zero. Two, with example. Third, with example, moon and earth. Force of attraction is perpendicular, displacement is perpendicular to the force. So when F and S both are perpendicular to each other, work done is said to be zero. This same question they will ask ulta. This same question they will ask ulta. How? They will ask why moon is not attracted towards, say, wait. Now good. No, outside atmosphere is very cloudy and very heavy rain is going. Ditya or Anu, who is the host, no? At the end, please send me the screenshot, message, boys present, girls present, okay, please. And take your time, not in hurry. Reversible ulta question they can ask, that why moon is not attracted towards the earth. You will write, don't send, there are screenshot, no, so from that we can make out. You are concentrating on that for your attendance only, not for this. If you will listen my lecture very carefully, with the example, automatically you can give the answer without using textbook. See, I am also using textbook very less to see the sequence of the point. That's it. So like that, you have to prepare your full lesson like poetry, next to next to next to next line. So that you can do by Purav Misra was left, that. This all you will come to know in when school portal will start, when full lectures you will attend, then only they will mark present, otherwise they will mark absent. At that time what you will do? See, in starting 12 to 15 student, in middle of that 30 to 40 student, again at the end around 20 to 30 student. These are the ratio. कौन आ रहा है कौन जा रहा है पता नहीं, इंटरवल के पहले का पिक्चर किसने देखा, इंटरवल के बाद का पिक्चर किसने देखा, फुल किसने देखा, जीरो किसने देखा. तो मल्टीप्लेक्स जैसा मुझे यह लग रहा है, कोई आ रहा है कोई जा रहा है, बीच बीच में सॉन्ग आ रहा है तो कोई बाहर निकल जाता है. अभिजीत सावंत है ना, वो है. Okay. And my humble request that you attend rest of the subject also. What is the ma'am's comment yesterday? That sir, in your lecture all students are coming, that much, at least half out of 74, half at least are coming. But in rest, very less students are coming. So they are insisting me to call you and to force you to attend rest of the subject also. So please attend rest of the subject. Okay, because you have to score the mark in all subjects. At that, and at the end you will get the good percentage. Ulta question: why moon is not attracted towards the earth? Two things: when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, work done is said to be zero. So half work done, half force and attraction are perpendicular. That we have to explain. The force of attraction on moon by the earth is 90 degree, and the displacement of moon to the orbit is perpendicular. So the force and displacement perpendicular to each other, work done is said to be zero. Moon, the force of earth on moon, now it is zero, so it is not attracted, it can move freely. Simple. Again come to the work. What is work? Force into displacement. Work are of three types. Work done is 0, 1, 2, 3. Work can be positive also, work can be negative also. बराबर ध्यान से सुनो, एकदम easy, एकदम easy. When force and displacement are in same direction. If I'll push cupboard or a stone or a things in this way, in which direction I am giving force, in that direction the object is moving. जहाँ पर मैं धक्का लगा रहा हूँ जिस दिशा में, वही दिशा में अगर वो जा रहा है, that is positive work done. This I have pushed this way, so it will move in this way. So the force and the displacement are in same direction. Then work is said to be positive. Zero का पता है, zero work done, positive work done, now negative work done. When force and displacement are in opposite direction. फोर्स एंड वर्क, अरे फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. ऐसा होता है क्या? पॉसिबल है क्या ऐसा? इज इट पॉसिबल? हैव यू ऑब्जर्व ऐसा होता है? What I am telling you, listen. For zero work done, three possibility. For positive work done, when the force is applied and in that same direction the displacement is going on, that is a positive work. And negative work, when force is applied in this direction, body moves in this direction, opposite. Force this side, moving this side. Force this side, moving this side. Opposite. Force and displacement, opposite. Force and displacement, same direction. Positive. Force and displacement, opposite. Negative work. Which are the examples? Spring. Suppose here there is a spring, I will push the spring and all of a sudden I will leave. So the spring will jump backside. So the force applied this way. Balloon, if you will push, release, it will come back. Air in the injection, if you will try to push, then release, all of a sudden it will come upside. These are the three examples. Himanshu say, I am not getting it. So we give a pressure downward, it comes upward. Very good example. Means you are concentrating at least. Himanshu Yadav, thank you for adding one more example, very good example, that all the students, these our cricketer student can understand. Okay, so today we have discussed only on work. What is work? What is a unit of work? What are the two units comparison? 1 joule is equal to 10⁷ earth. And when work is said to be done, when work is said to be not done. Not done means what? Zero work done. Zero work done, especially that is a very important question of this chapter. So three position. Correct. Work but negative work because it is coming upside, opposite direction. So work can be said, work is said to be done in three ways: zero work, positive work, negative work. For zero work, three conditions. For positive work, only one condition: force and displacement same direction. Here, force and displacement in opposite direction. Follow? Then for this you have to write the example. For this you have to write the example. Okay.